Welcome to this tutorial on equal distribution across planning levels. First, review the tutorial goal. The introduction slide explains that key figure data is stored at a base planning level and aggregated to the requested planning level. In this example, you use the SAP IBP Excel add-in to update a Demand Qty Adj key figure value. The key figure uses disaggregation mode set to equal distribution with period weight factor WEEKWEIGHT. Next, open the SAP IBP web application to review the planning area and key figure setup. Before working in Excel, the planning areas list is displayed in SAP Integrated Business Planning. The IIM planning area is highlighted. Open this planning area to review the model used in the example. After opening the planning area detail page is displayed. The Key Figures tab is highlighted because the disaggregation behavior is defined on the key figure. Click Key Figures to review the relevant settings. After opening the Key Figures tab, the key figure list is displayed and the ADJUSTEDDEMAND key figure is highlighted. Open this key figure to inspect the Demand Qty Adj setup used in this example. After opening the key figure details, the characteristics section is displayed. The disaggregation mode field is highlighted and shows equal distribution. The period weight factor field shows WEEKWEIGHT, which is used when the value is distributed across lower-level combinations. Next, switch to Microsoft Excel. The planning view is displayed at product ID level. In this example, Demand Qty Adj is shown by month, and the name box is highlighted so you can jump directly to the target cell. Enter Q9 in the name box. After entering Q9 in the name box, press Enter to move to the target cell in the worksheet. After pressing Enter, cell Q9 is selected. In this example, this cell is a Demand Qty Adj value at product ID level. Use the formula bar to enter the new value. Now, the formula bar shows an entry such as 2000 for the selected product ID level cell. Click the confirmation tick to accept the value in the worksheet. After confirming the entry, the value 2000 is visible in the target row for the selected month. Click Save Data in the SAP IBP ribbon to save the aggregated product ID level value back to SAP IBP. After saving the data, the worksheet remains at product ID level and the new value is retained. Click Edit View to update the planning view settings and review the disaggregated result at a more detailed planning level. After clicking Edit View, the Edit Planning View window opens. The Attributes button is highlighted in the side navigation. Click Attributes to adjust the attributes shown in the planning view. After opening Attributes, the All Attributes and Selected Attributes areas are displayed. Location ID is highlighted in the available attributes, while Material is already selected. Select Location ID so the view can include location-level detail. After selecting Location ID, both Material and Location ID appear in the Selected Attributes area. Click OK to apply the setting to the worksheet. After confirming the settings, the worksheet refreshes with Product ID and Location ID rows. In this example, the saved value 2000 for the aggregated product ID level row is distributed as 667 across the visible lower-level location combinations for the selected month, showing equal distribution across planning levels. In summary, equal distribution disaggregation across planning levels starts with a key figure configured with disaggregation mode set to equal distribution and an appropriate period weight factor. In the planning view, you enter and save a value at product ID level, then add location ID to display how the value is distributed across the lower-level planning combinations. The exact planning area, key figures, product IDs, location IDs, periods, values, templates, fields, and settings may vary by system setup and planning configuration. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.